Morning, YouTube. It's my first snowstorm here in Beaver Dam, Ohio. Guys, the camper stayed really warm last night. I bought this Mystery Buddy heater yesterday, and I gotta say, this thing works amazingly well. Even on low, it heated this camper up so much I actually had to crack the back hatch to let some heat out. If anyone else needs a heat source, guys, I can't recommend this enough. I will eventually upgrade to the bigger size bottle, but for now, I'm just going to stay with these little ones because I'm going to make sure that thing's completely cool before I take off. But I got to load the generator up in here as well. Alright guys, these headlights don't produce a lot of heat, these Alpha Rex headlights. I don't want to scrape up the lens either. So hopefully the snow will melt off there. Guys, I'm not prepared. I don't even know where my snow scraper is, so I got this broom and making the best of this, guys.